Imagine you're walking through a dimly lit, bustling market. The air is thick with the scent of spices and the chatter of merchants. As you weave through the crowds, you stumble upon a peculiar stall. A mysterious figure sits behind it, offering coins that seem to glow with an otherworldly light. What kind of coin is this, you ask, your curiosity piqued. The figure simply smiles and replies, it's Beam. So, what exactly is Beam? Well, it's a cryptocurrency, a digital asset that uses cryptography to secure its transactions and control the creation of new units. But Beam is no ordinary cryptocurrency. It's a privacy-focused coin designed to protect your financial data and transactions from prying eyes. How does Beam work? Beam uses a technology called Mimblewimble. Think of it as a magic spell that cloaks your transactions in a veil of secrecy. Mimblewimble allows Beam to condense its blockchain, making it more efficient and scalable. It also ensures that your transactions remain private, even after they're confirmed. Why is privacy important? You might be wondering why privacy is so crucial in the world of cryptocurrency. Well, consider this. When you use traditional financial systems, your transactions are often recorded and stored in databases. This can leave your personal information vulnerable to hackers, identity thieves, and even governments. With Beam, your transactions are shielded from public view. This means that no one, not even the miners who process your transactions, can see your sender or recipient address, or the amount you're sending. It's like having a secret vault for your digital funds. Beam's unique features. Aside from its focus on privacy, Beam offers several other unique features. Instant transactions. Beam transactions are confirmed in a matter of seconds, making it a convenient and efficient option for payments. Low fees. Beam's transaction fees are typically very low, making it a cost-effective choice for sending and receiving funds. Community-driven. Beam is developed and maintained by a dedicated community of developers and enthusiasts. This ensures that the coin's future is shaped by its users. The future of Beam. As Beam continues to evolve, it has the potential to become a major player in the cryptocurrency market. Its focus on privacy and its innovative technology could make it a popular choice for those who value their financial freedom and security. So, the next time you encounter a mysterious coin that seems to glow with an otherworldly light, remember the name Beam. It's a cryptocurrency that offers a level of privacy and security that's unmatched in the digital world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.